Hey, hi friends. I think all are good. So today we are going to learning important topics. So that is means dirty read, non-repeatable read, and phantom read. So before I am going to explain the isolation levels, first of all I want to check with the dirty read, non-repeatable and phantom read. So these are very important too at different business logics at different scenarios we are using. So what is the dirty read? So a dirty read means when a transaction reads uncommitted changes made by another transactions. If suppose I'm going to real-time scenarios, so I already prepared those commands. So suppose I am executing one transaction in session one. So without commit. Suppose without commit means the uncommitted transactions will be stored under the second sessions. Okay. Suppose if I am executing the rollback in the second session, so in that time the data will be the inconsistency. Okay. Coming to the non-repeatable read, a non-repeatable occurs when a transaction reads the same row multiple times and gets different values or different results. Suppose it means I am executing on transactions, select queries, and I am executing this transaction in session 2. Okay, in that time what it will do means, so while again I want to execute in the select query in the session 1, it means it is showing different values, different results from different for two sessions. Okay, so coming to the phantom read, a phantom read occurs when a transaction executes the same query multiple times but it gets different results. So because new rows matching the criteria have been inserted or deleted by another transactions. Okay, so phantom read means if suppose someone executed any query into the session 2, that means in the session 1 there is already available data, but while adding the insert the data into the session 2, so that is different values, right? So that is called the phantom read. Okay, so I am going to real-time scenario for one by one. So that is the dirty read for train ticket booking. Okay, suppose a user books a train ticket, but the transaction is not committed yet. What it will happen? See. So in the transaction one, so I am transaction A. Suppose you assume I am a transaction. I am attempt to the book a ticket in the IRTC. Suppose then I am start the transaction and so I am booking the ticket. So that is the my ID equal to 501. But I am not commit the transaction. Then coming to the, that is another user also, it is possible to booking the same ticket, right? So in that time uh, I am executing the it means another user executing the commit, then transaction is will be the rollback. Okay, suppose you can see, so booking is successful but not committed, right? So while using the user to no tickets available, so that is the wrong data read. So after rollback ticket is actually available. Okay, so this is the actually dirty reads. It means without commit the first transaction, so the second transaction it is the uncommitted changes. Okay, so that is called the dirty reads. Okay, so you can see user ones is okay, booking successful but not committed. Okay, so that is the first transaction. But while executing the we'll start the transaction by using the user 2. So it is data means no ticket available, that means wrong data. Okay, so that is not good practice. Okay, so while I am using commit transaction in the session 2, so that is the tickets are available. Okay, so coming to the non-repeatable rates while booking. So a user checks the train ticket price before booking, but the price changes before checkout. What it will do means, uh, IRCTC, it is the train booking, right? Booking app. So I want, it means I am going to booking the ticket. At that time, the IRCTC vendor so insert the, it means new price. Okay, it means he is updated the new price. Okay, so in that times, two different values, right? So I am select the, it means I am choosing the booking, but 500, but I, so in that time, so vendor change the ticket price. So that is the non-repeatable rate. Okay, so user checks ticket price. Okay, so in transaction, suppose I am transactioning. Okay, so then I am checking the what is the price, that is the 500. Okay, $500. Then coming to the transaction to means admin, it means vendor, like. Okay, so what it will do means, so it is changing to the $50 to 60. Okay, that is the 500. Now after that he gives the commit. So that is the that is means it is exact price is 60 rupees. Okay, then I want to again check, so it is showing 60. It means two different values for select queries. So that is called the non-repeatable receipt. So when I am sees the 50 receipt initially, then after some time I am sees the 60 rupees. So that is the unexpected changes in same transaction. So that is called the non-repeatable rates. Then coming to the phantom rates. So what is my scenario means, so I am checks the number of available tickets, but a new ticket is added before booking. Okay, so while I am checking the how many seats are available, okay, or number of tickets are available, but that time new ticket is added before booking. So I am transactioning, I am checks the availability tickets. Select count star. It means I am reading the data. Okay, so how many tickets are there? That is the count star. Okay, so that is 10 available tickets for me to booking the seats. So then coming to the transaction 2. Okay, so in that time, our IRCTC vendor, so he is the add the one ticket for the ticket ID and the what is the status, what is the price. Okay, so these are the another, it means new values, new ticket. Okay, so I am checking the okay, suppose I am going to the first session, then I am executing the it means I am executing the read the data. Select consta means how many tickets are available. Okay, so it is showing 11. Okay, so while I am trying to checking the how many tickets are available, so at that time it is showing 10. So then after that I am it means the vendor is newly added ticket, so that in the updated one, right? So that is all the 11 tickets. So this is called the phantom reads. Okay, so let me going to repeat again. Okay, okay, then I'm going to the dirty reads. So what it will do means, only uncommitted changes we are get. So that is called the dirty reads. Suppose uh, there is already ticking, it means already book the ticket, but he is not give the commit. So that time, so the another is also is possible to checking the tickets availability. Okay, then uncommitted changes are available. So without commit means that is the uncommitted changes while using the read uncommitted. Okay, so coming to the non-repeatable rates means, so it means a user checks the train ticket price before booking, but the price changes before checkout. It means you got it right. Suppose I already see the IRCTC app and I am checking the ticket price. There is a 50. But what it will do, IRCTC vendor means he is updated the changes. It means it is 50 instead of 50 rupees. He is increased 10 rupees. That is the 60 rupees. So that is the price actually. So it means while I am checking another select query in the session one, so it is showing 60 rupees. It is not good to practice. So that is the phantom reads also available. So phantom reads means insert or delete. Okay. Suppose number of available tickets. Okay, I am going to checking now what are the number of available tickets for to booking the tickets time. So I have already select queries so to find out the number of tickets. But coming to the transaction 2, so the vendor is already one ticket is added. So in that time, when I am, it means when I am executing the transaction in select query, so it is showing like different outputs, right? So that is actually Phantom reads. I think you guys are understand. So if you have any doubt, please ping me on my comment section. So please share your knowledge with me. So if you have any doubts, please share with me. So thank you and sign off. Have a nice day.